I want to talk to you about 4 ways that Thai yoga massage can help you to cultivate inner peace through giving the massage while you give the massage, but really as part of your whole life, and that is coming right up. Hey there, my name is Shai and I am the founder of the Still Life Center, School of Thai Yoga Massage, and I want to talk to you about Thai massage and inner peace and how the two go hand in hand. In fact, I want to share with you 4 different ways that you can help to bring more of that inner peace into your life through giving this massage. Just before I jump into it, I want to remind you, please subscribe to the channel by clicking on the button over here and the little bell so that you get reminders every week when I post a new video. All right, here we go. So, number 1, Thai yoga massage is really the practice of putting loving kindness and compassion into a massage. So essentially what you're doing when you give this massage is that you are tapping into your own energy, your own essence of love and kindness and compassion. It's those good feelings that you feel towards life, towards yourself, towards other people, and you operate from that place. So not only do you get to enjoy that and experience that while you give a massage, that is really a life practice, that by doing that regularly, by giving the massage from that place, it just starts to become a greater part of your life. Number 2, judgments. And these are the judgments that we might have for other people as well as for ourselves. And I know if you're anything like me, then you're probably your own worst critic, and then you take that energy and you might apply it to other points or other people or other problems in your life. You see someone walking down the street that's overweight and you can't help but have an instant reaction, a judgment to that. You see someone who is eating unhealthy food similarly, and those judgments, and they just kind of pile up and they piled up and they build negativity. Well, I'm here to tell you that when you give this massage, and because you're giving it from this place of loving kindness and compassion, when you have those kinds of situations come up in a massage, and even better when it's with a loved one and you know that they're dealing with some kind of pain or some kind of issue, then you start to soften those judgments. You start to have so much more compassion and understanding that whatever it is that got them to this place, it's through trying their best. It's through living their life to the best of their ability, and your judgments start to soften. They start to melt, and then sure enough, over time, you just don't look at life in a similar kind of way. In fact, you go from judging people and judging yourself and being this harsh kind of critic towards empathy, towards compassion, towards vulnerability, towards opening your heart. And this all happens organically and naturally as you give the massage and then as you then live your life. Then, number 3, helping people. So of course, this massage, when you give this massage and you have people saying things like, wow, I feel 2 inches taller, I feel 10 years younger, you got rid of some kind of knot that I've seen all kinds of other people and they couldn't help me with. All these kinds of responses and results are just a natural part of this practice. And the act of doing that and knowing that you're helping someone at such a deep and such a rewarding level absolutely helps you to feel good. It helps you to feel peaceful. It helps you to know that you are making a positive contribution in this world. And the fact that you can do this at home when you're helping people that you care about and that you love and that you just know that they're in some kind of pain and suffering, and then you can help them to feel a little bit better, that is priceless. And number 4 is your own health and your own well-being. So not only are you helping that other person, but this is a dynamic massage. You are moving your body. You are putting yourself into positions that help to open up your hips, to help open up your lower back, that help you to feel good on the physical level, on the mental level, and even on a spiritual level. And when you feel better, when you feel healthier, you can't help but have more space for peace, for that energy. It's just like the opposite. When you're feeling sick, when you're feeling run down, you know that feelings of inner peace and feelings of inner wellness, that's like the last thing that you're going to think about. You're going to think about just get me to bed, get me to sleep. I feel bad, I feel terrible. So you have to understand that this is the exact opposite experience, that you are doing something that is so healthy for you on all these different levels. So essentially you're creating a great environment for you to feel space, spaciousness, kindness, love, compassion, and yes, that inner peace. So those are 4 ways that giving Thai massage helps you. And if you are practicing Thai massage and you've got some other ideas, some other ways that giving this massage helps you to find your inner peace, please post them and share them below. This is a great community and we are all here to support and benefit each other. And if you want to keep on learning, then just keep clicking on the playlist. You've got all kinds of options for free training, free learning to actually then take all these benefits and put them into practice. And then if you're ready to come learn in person, my website is stilllightcenter.com and we have a calendar of courses where you can keep on training. Wishing you amazing massages. Namaste.